Taco here, and I got my Blizzard here. I decided I want to make it brushless because I always loved the Blizzard. I actually had the first Blizzard, the second generation Blizzard, and I think the third one, this one, and I had a Nitro version also. And I always use them all year round. I just don't use them in the snow. I really like them. But anyhow, I got two of these hobbywing quickrun 30 amp brushless ESCs, and they're meant for 1/16 scale cars. So I also ordered, they didn't come in yet, I got two 1/16 scale size brushless motors. I got 4500 kV motors, so I'm waiting for them to come in, and then I'll probably do a video, put this together, and hopefully it'll work out. And I'll show you guys how it works when I'm finished with it. I'll just show you what the ESCs look like. They're pretty good. They're real small. I carved this out in the top over here. I'm gonna probably see if I could put the two of them in there, maybe put the receiver somewhere else. We'll see. But anyhow, that's what I'm gonna do. Blizzard's gonna be brushless because, like I said before, I love the Blizzard. I use it all year round, and it's worth it for me to convert it to brushless so I don't have to worry about motors and anything like that. So we'll see you next time. It'll be running hopefully perfect, and I'll have a video for you guys. See you next time.